Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I wish you all are healthy. Dear students, I have a question for you. Question 1. From where does the sun rise?
East.
Yes, east is the correct answer. My next question is, from where does sun sets?
West.
Yes, west is the correct answer. So, what are east and west? Do you know?
Directions.
Yes, these are the directions. So in this video, we are going to study about the directions. But before starting the activity, I would like to tell you the meaning of directions. What is directions? The general position of a person or things which moves or points towards is known as directions. So today we are going to perform an activity on directions. So let's start the activity. Okay, so first of all we will study about the common directions. Okay, if someone says you look at your right, so which is your right? This is my right hand, so this is my right side. Okay, look at your left, this is your left side. Okay, and this backward and forward, or we can say upward and downward. I hope you all understood before. Common directions: right side, left side, backward and forward. Okay, and we can say upward and downward.
Now beta, look at this diagram. This is the diagram of major directions. Okay, as I already told you, there are 4 major directions. Number 1 is north, number 2 is east, number 3 is south, and number 4 is west. Now let's talk about the sub directions. Okay, these are the sub directions. 4 main directions: north, east, south and west. And northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest are the sub directions. Why we called northeast? Because this is the part between north and east, so this is northeast. And this is the part between south and east, so it is southeast. This is the part between west and south, so this is southwest. And this part is between north and west, so this is northwest. So dear students, remember the sub directions: northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. Okay dear students, now look at this diagram. If you are standing facing the sun in the morning, the boy is standing facing the sun in the morning. Now you can stretch your arm as the shown in the picture. Okay, on your front is the east direction. Your face is in front of the sun, so your front is east. Your back is your west direction, back side is west direction. And to your left, this is your left hand, so to your left is north direction, and to your right is south direction. Okay, now let's do this practical in the playground.
Now we are going to perform the practical which we have seen in the video. If you are standing facing the sun, okay, now stretch your hands. Your face is in front of the sun, so this is your east direction. Your left hand, this is your right hand, so your right is south direction, to your left is north direction, and your back is west direction. Okay dear students, front east direction, right south direction, your left hand shows north direction and your back side shows west direction. Okay, I hope you all understood 4 major directions. If you are standing facing the sun, your front should be east, your right hand showing south direction, your left hand showing north direction, and your back is showing west direction.
Okay dear students, the 4 major directions which we have learned, I am going to show you on the map. Okay, this is the map of India, political map of India. So on the map, always remember at the top north, this is south, east and west. These are the 4 major directions which I am showing you on the map. Now what you will do, look at this diagram. What you have to do, you have to draw this diagram on A4 size sheet and you have to paste in your social studies notebook. Okay, this is your today's activity. Now draw the diagram and color it and paste it in your social studies notebook. Thank you and have a lovely day.